Hey everybody, Brian from T-sportline. Thanks for tuning in again. I want to introduce a new product we have for the Tesla Cybertruck bed. So first of the accessories, many to come. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first, opening up the tonneau cover here. Super cool stuff. You know, on the Cybertruck, it comes with this built-in L-track. And L-track is an accessory track that came out of the airline industry. This is what you have in airlines and in over-the-road trucking where they're trying to hold cargo and stuff in place. It's super convenient. Really cool that Tesla put this in the bed from the factory because it's going to allow you to accessorize the bed. And you can manage your own content in here, your own cargo, hold it in place. From the factory, Tesla includes 2 brackets on here. So these are hook rings and they're bolted on in place. You've got a bottle opener on the back side over here, back in there. That's a bottle opener. So it comes with 2 and they're bolted in place, pretty heavy duty. It takes a T25, which is a Torx 25 driver, if you want to unscrew that and move it around. But what we have today is a 6-pack of these quick disconnect D-ring connectors. So these are going to be where you plug them in place anywhere you want along either side of the bed on the L-track, and then take bungee straps and you can do whatever you need to do with your cargo. So let me jump in here and we'll show you how this stuff works. Okay, come in here on this L-track and you can take a look. With these quick disconnect D-rings, you just push it and the pin pops out in the back. You put it where you want it and you've got it in place. The D-ring moves wherever you want, and again, you can pull it out that quick. So these are super quick and easy to put in place, pull them in and out. And the nice thing is I can put these, if I have a 6-pack from T-sportline, I can spread them out in the bed, in the middle, all the way up here. There's really no limit to where you put them, so highly configurable. The whole L-track has all these little spots where you can move these anywhere. So let's put them in and just kind of eyeball it, put them in the 6 locations across the bed. So imagine you have whatever cargo you want. I'm just going to eyeball this for now, but you could measure these out and put them exactly equally spaced. So now we have 6 hooks plus the factory. Got 8 places where you can attach bungee straps. There are big strap hooks in the bed of the truck. It actually takes a screwdriver. These are super tight, so to pry this up, it's not real easy, but that's going to be for heavy duty cargo. If you wanted to use a ratchet strap, you've got 4 in the bed, and then you have 2 in the sides back here. But let's open up our bungee strap kit. You got 13 pieces in here. Basically, all the bungee straps you might ever need to move your manage all your cargo. And then you've got a storage bag for them as well. I'm gonna open these up and just show you, you're talking about going side to side with these. Any number of configurations. Really easy to use with those straps. We have, each color represents a different length. So let's say you had to go corner to corner. It's not a problem. You've got some super long ones if you wanted to go around your cargo and then go side to side. Let's say this went out around your cargo or up here holding your cargo. Lots of options for these. These straps are good quality strap, elastic with plastic enclosed steel ends on them. I'm going to give you whatever you want for strapping your gear in the back of your Cybertruck. You can see how this goes anywhere you want to put them. Move my D-ring connectors wherever I need to. All right, guys, that covers it. So make sure you pick up a set of our 6-pack of D-ring L-track connectors and the bungee cords from tsportline. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let us know what kind of cargo you're gonna hold in your Cybertruck, and come back more. We've got more products for the bed of your Cybertruck launching soon. Thanks, guys.